Hi, myself Sunil Ramakrishnan Nair. Basically, I'm a software delivery head. So basically, we were talking about one person is banned from the software industry and up to what level the ban process has happened. So basically, India level ban is already done. So basically, the banned people, the people who do the ban of one person, they have lots of egos. Egos, basically, you can say. Ego means whatever happened, if he dies also, then also we will not allow him to get the job. So up to this level ego these people have, basically it's a one group, basically it's connected with government, and that group is in government also, and that group is in private also. So we are talking about those people, basically. So one person has banned from the software company, and here we are talking about now basically how up to what level these people go to ban this particular person. So basically, that person has tried one job in Dubai. So he told that I will go to the Dubai or UAE and will search for the job. So he this is basically just rough country. This country can be just take as a Dubai only. He has gone to Dubai, so it's a real, basically. He has gone to Dubai. So basically, he went to Dubai for searching the job with the help of the consultant, and the consultant told that we will give you job in Dubai. Like this, basically, he went to Dubai. So for a few months, basically, he stayed there. Basically, he searched for the job. He went to Oman. He went to Dubai. He went to Sharjah. He went to Oman, basically. Then he went to Abu Dhabi. Each and every place he went for the interview. But basically, nobody selected him. Nobody has selected him. Why? Because wherever he was going, he was watched by the satellites. That was basically Indian satellites group, basically we can say that they were watching that person, and like this, basically that person was watched by the satellites. So up to this level, basically just see the ban people who do the ban, up to what level they do the ban. So they told that this person is banned in India, so we will not allow him to get job anywhere in this world. So this was told by one of the human resource person. So just see the ego of the human resource group and the government groups. Because if one country is connected with the another country, that means the government group has came into picture. So basically, government groups egos. Just see the ego of the government groups also. So basically, they had given the passport number of that particular person, and he is the this is the photo of this particular person. He is staying in this location. He has went to Dubai, so he was watched by in plane also. Basically, when he was traveling in plane, so his information was given to his set of people also, and few people basically have came to plane also to see basically how Sunil is going to get the job. Basically, we will see. So basically, you can say the human resource are telling that we are creating one lesson also for the employees. Basically, see this person is getting banned. We have banned this person. So basically, India level, basically he was banned. So the India level lesson basically they have created. So just see basically how the human resource do the ban and how they creates the lesson, basically. So like this, basically he was banned from the India, and then basically he visited Dubai, and in Dubai basically he was getting watched by the satellites. So satellites basically was watching him, and that the satellite people are giving the information to the Indian people. See, basically, this person is gone to Oman for the interview, and like this, basically, Indian people were doing the call to the Dubai government and telling that this person has went to this company. Tell that company that he is banned from India and he's not get he's not supposed to get job in Oman also. He's not supposed to get in job in Dubai also. He's not supposed to get a job in Sharjah also. Like this, phone was also getting called. So phone was done by the Indian Human Resource Group, and they have done the call and told that he is not supposed to get the job. So like this, basically, Dubai people also told, like, yeah, 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 he is banned, he is banned, he is not a good person. What wrong he has done? They never inquired that. but just they also done the ban of that particular person with the help of by understanding by listening the Indian Human Resource Group, who are basically telling that we have lots of ego, we will not allow him to get the job. So that's basically tells that इंडिया की इज्जत का सवाल है, इंडिया के ह्यूमन रिसोर्स की इज्जत का सवाल है. Like this basically in Hindi basically we say. So basically it's basically one group only, it's not entire human resource of India. I'm not talking about entire human resource of Indians. So basically I'm talking about few people who have banned this person. So basically they have called, so basically from satellites basically they were doing the calls to the India, and Indian people basically are doing the calls to the Dubai, because he was sitting in this company and giving the interview. Like this basically he was watched by the satellites. This was also done, and like this basically he was watched by the satellites, and like this basically is, from satellite the message was getting passed to the human resource of India, and human resource of Indian people basically were telling to the Dubai people that he is not supposed to get job here basically. Like this basically he was banned from Dubai also. So like this basically he came back from Dubai. um, Basically just see how basically the Dubai people have done the ban. Just see how basically international level ban also happens. So basically they, when he left the Dubai, when he can went to the currency department and to exchange the money, he got one 500 rupees, 500 dirham. And in 500 dirham there was some conflict of that note basically. Conflict of note is basically we can say that the note was also banned from some by the certain groups basically we can say. So like this basically he was also banned. Like this he his 500 rupees was he exchanged, the currency department given 500 rupees to that person. This is basically real story of one person, but basically where that person is, that also I don't know basically. So basically he has given the 500 rupees to the 500 rupees to that person, and like this basically uh, he got the 500 rupees. That 500 note dirham was having some problem. So basically Dubai has given the 500 dirham, and that person has taken, that person don't know basically. He is just shocked, he is frustrated. In frustration basically you can't see anything basically. He just was frustrated by the human resource people basically, and the set of businessmen of the software industry. Like this basically he was got that 500 dirham, and he went to India airport. So basically here I am stopping with the this part basically. Next part basically we are going to see something more about the how software companies do the bans.